This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable dark mode on Bluesky. I will be using the browser version on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am logged into Bluesky. To enable or disable dark mode, it's very easy to do. As you can see, I'm currently in light mode, but if I wanted to turn on dark mode, first thing you want to do is go to the pane on the left hand side, over to where it says Settings, click on Settings. Then on the center pane, you want to go straight across to where it says Appearance, and click on Appearance. Now right up top here, color mode, mine is set by default. Yours is probably set to your systems. My system is in light mode, but you could turn on light mode right here. If I toggle that one on, it remains in light mode for me. And right here is dark mode. I'm going to toggle on dark mode. As you can see, now I have went to dark mode. Now below that, it says dark theme. It gives you the option. Do you want dim? That's what I'm set to right now, dim, or dark. I'm going to click on dark. As you can see, now it's went to more of a black. But if I toggle on dim, it's kind of a little bit of a bluish black. So you can choose between those two right there. That is how to enable or disable dark mode on Bluesky. Thanks for watching.